Topic is place value and face value. Children, question is write the place value. We are going to learn about the place value of 4-digit number. So we have seen that every digit in a number requires some place to sit. Children, what is place value? The place value of a number can be defined as the value of the digit in a number according to its position in the place value chart. Okay? Question is 3697. We have the places. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Now let's take a numbers 3697. We arrange the number in place value chart. To arrange the number from where we have to start? Yes, we should start with ones and then move towards the left side. So we have 7 here. We have 7 here. 9, 6, 3. Now find out the place value of each number. Now once again, you can see we have 7, 9, 6, 3. Now find out the place value of each number. The place value of 7 will be 7. Because there is no number. There is no number after this. So we will write 7 here. Now we will move on 9. The place value of 9 will be 90. Because there is one more number after 9. Therefore, we will put 10 after 9. We can also say that tens are written here. Tens means 10. Tens means 10. How many zeros are there in 10? 1. We will put 10 here. You can see 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90. So, the place value of 9 is 90. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now look 6. Digit 6. Now look digit 6. At which place 6? Hundreds. So we have to write here 600. Because there is 2 more number after 6. There is 2 more numbers after 6. So we will put 2 zeros here. Children, how many zeros are there in hundreds? 2. You can see. So you can see there are 2 zeros here. Because 600 is written here. 6 multiplied by 100 is equal to 600. Okay. So place value of 6 is 600. Clear? Look digit 3. The place value of 3 is 3000. Because there are 3 more digits after 3. There are 3 more digits after 3. So we will add 3 zeros here. There are also 3 zeros in a thousands. So look here, children. There are 3 zeros along with 3. So 3 multiply by 1000. 3000. So place value of 3 is 3000. Is that clear, student? Okay. Second one is 5555. So first we put ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, and then write the digits down the columns. 5, 5, 5, 5. So children, tell me, at which place 5 is? At ones. So we will write 5 here, because there is no number after this. So we will write 5 here. 5 1 ja 5. Now we will move on next 5. That means, see student, this is tens place. Okay, because the place value of 5 will be 50. Because there is one more number after 5. Therefore, we will put 10 after 5. We can also say that tens are written here. Tens means 10. How many zeros are there in 10? 1. We will put 10 here. So 5 tens are 50. So the place value of 5 is 50. Clear? Now look, 100 place. At which place 5? Hundreds. So we have to write here 500. Because there is 2 more numbers after 5. So we will put 2 zeros here. Children, how many zeros are there in hundreds? 2. So you can see there are 2 zeros here, because 500 is written here. Okay. So 5 multiply by 100. 5 multiply 100 is equal to 500. So place value of 5 is 500. Now look, digit 5, 1000 place. The place value of this 5 is 5000. Because there are 3 more digits after 5. So we will add 3 zeros. There are also 3 zeros in a thousands. There are 3 zeros in a thousand. So look here. There are 3 zeros along with 5. So 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000. So place value of 5 is 5000. Okay children? Thank you. Face value. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Unlike the place value, the face value does not depend on the position of the digit in the number. Let's understand face value better using the number 6395. 6395. 6,395. The face value of 9 is, the face value of 9 is 6,395 is 9. The face value of 9 in 6,395 is 9. Okay, children. Another example, 4,237. 4,237. Children, the face value of 2 in, the face value of 2 in, the face value of 2 in 4,237 is 2. Because the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Clear? Next, another example, 6,081. Children, the face value of 6 in, the face value of 6 in 6,081 is 6. Because the face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Is that clear, children? Okay. Hope you all understand place value and face value well. Okay.